Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to see live location on Google Maps. For these settings, you have to open Google Maps on your device. After opening Google Maps on your device, you have to click here. After clicking here, you can see here location sharing. Click to location sharing and here you can see new share. Then click to anyone which person you want to share your location. I select him and I click to share. After clicking share, a link will be gone to him. If I send this message, they will able to see my location by clicking the link. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.